everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 certificates you can do online that won't take you years and which are going to help you to land some high paid remote jobs. Stick around and let's go. Okay, so the first certificate you can get for pretty much free or close to free is the complete digital marketing course. It's 12 courses in one, as you can see, and you will learn anything about digital marketing. So you'll get 22.5 hours of on demand videos explaining and showing you exactly what is digital marketing, making a website, email marketing, copywriting, YouTube marketing, Facebook marketing, Twitter marketing, Quora, SEO, search engine optimization, and you don't need any experience at all. And the best thing is that the course is valued at $17.99 Canadian dollars. So that's probably $12 or 12 probably USD, which is a steal. It's nothing. And let me tell you, the average wage in the digital marketing field is insane. Like I mean, the sky is the limit, seriously. And there's another certificate you can get. I mean, you can see it's got 4.5 stars, and you can look at the ratings and read the reviews if you need to, but they're all positive, like for the majority of them. Um, so Rob is a web developer and teacher. After building website for friends, I soon learned that web development. I mean, he's giving his review. He gave is an instructor from what I see. And here are the instructors, and here are the ratings and the reviews. 178,000 ratings. Great presentation, style, informative course, a wonderful course about digital marketing tools, well explained, really helpful. And there's another one you can get that is free. It's the one made by Google. It's digital marketing and e-commerce certificate. And this is the average wage that you can get in the digital marketing field, $45,000 and more. And you have a ton of work online for that. So, marketing coordinator, email marketing specialist, e commerce associate, media planner, SEO specialist. This is huge. Paid search specialist. So, that is again available here on Google, on the Google certificates. It's 100% remote, and you do less than 10 hours of study a week. And you can get started right now. Actually, let's see if it is completely free. Courses here, 7 series, enroll. Let's try to. I'm going to try to enroll and see. All right, so I did put my email and everything, and you have a 7-day free trial. So it's kind of free if you do it like real quick. But you can start right now, cancel anytime, and it is $70 per month if you want to continue learning. Um, yeah, and you can share your certificates at the end on your resume. And I better cancel now. But I wanted to point out as well here, they tell you the average, the median entry level salary for digital marketing specialist is 57,606 Canadian dollars. The second certificate that's gonna land you a high paid remote job is the CAPM, which is a Certified Associate in Project Management certification. And let me tell you what type of jobs you can get. First of all, you can start with no experience whatsoever, and And here are the salaries. You can become a project coordinator for 53,351, human resource coordinator, customer success manager, project analyst, project manager, management consultant, and the salary goes up to, on average, 73,500 Canadian dollar. Um, Honestly, this the average salary in 2023, so it's much higher now, was 60,000 Canadian dollar up to 98,000 Canadian dollar. You don't need any experience, and you can do the certificate online. Um, it's available to anyone willing to learn how to become a project manager. Again, you can do that certification on google.com. If you go to Google Project Management Certificate, same thing, you can apply, you can get started online. And the median salary here, they tell you, is 62,000 plus for that. And yeah, available to anyone really who's willing to learn online. So you can get started in your language and start to get some jobs online. The third certification you can do online that will land you a high paid remote job is the CompTIA A plus certification. So it is, you can find different websites offering it. This one on udemy.com is $44.99 Canadian for this certification. It is about IT and the computer tech sector. So it is an IT type of certification, and we know that anything about IT is high in demand. So you'll get 15 hours and 36 minutes of courses, and basic familiarity with computers and network is helpful. There are no specific prerequisites as the course covers all the topics in detail, so you don't need any experience. um, you need to have 9 to 12 months of on the job experience before taking the A plus exam. This is recommended, but it's not required. So you can try with udemy.com, or you can go on again our friend Google IT support certificates. You can start again with Coursera, or right here, get started. So it's under 10 hours of study a week. Get a job in IT for, like, on average, 53,000 plus uh, dollars per year as a salary. And the jobs are database admin, IT specialist, tech support specialist, systems analyst, network engineer, help desk technician, IT support specialist, IT technician, computer user specialist, and IT assistant. You know that this is super high in demand, um, like never before. I mean, everything online and IT is huge. So you can get started, check the jobs you can get online, but it is pretty much available to anyone as well. Um, and you can, like, as long as you speak English, really, you can literally, like, find jobs anywhere in the world. Okay, here the fourth certification you can take that will land you a high paid remote job is the complete Salesforce certified admin course plus AI. AI is huge right now, and it's only going to grow even more every year. So on udemy.com, you can get the course for 24.99 Canadian dollar. You get 39.49 minutes of courses. And again, you do not need any experience. So here you have some reviews. This is the best course for anyone who wants to learn Salesforce from scratch. So it's huge. So you can get that course as well on Coursera, Salesforce Sales Operations Professional Certificate. And here it tells you that the average salary is 49,000 plus per year. And we're talking USD here. So it is huge. You can get a lot of different jobs because it's in the sales force, and sales are big in every sector. Um, so yeah, that's again, you can get like jobs like sales operations specialist, sales operations assistant, sales operations analyst. You have a ton of remote work in that field. So get into that course if sales is your thing. And I think sales is for everyone. If you want to make money online, you need to sell. There's no way around that. All right, the last one, the fifth certification you can get, and it's going to surprise you. It's the CVS Health Call Center Customer Service Professional Certificate. You can do it on Coursera.org, and it is pretty much a super easy certificate to get that doesn't require any skill, really, like, I mean, any prerequisites whatsoever for that course. You can do it like very easily. It won't take you that much. It takes, here it says actually at the top, 2 months to get. It's flexible, so you can do it whenever you want from anywhere in the world. You can start for free because you get a free trial right here. And the average salary is 37,000 plus per year. It's in USD again, and you'll get a qualification for jobs like customer service rep, customer support specialist. This is everywhere. Customer service reps are needed in every company. So you can easily land a job, a remote job somewhere in the world, as long as you have a computer, as long as you speak your language, whatever it is, because you need that in every country. It doesn't matter. It doesn't need to be a US company. But of course, you probably will earn a little bit more if you work in with a US company or Canadian company or a European company, most probably. So it doesn't take long to get that certificate. You can put it on your resume. You can look for jobs as a customer rep, put that certification on your resume so you are qualified. And I guarantee you, you will easily get a job remotely as long as you have your laptop. That's all you need. Everyone for watching my video. I hope this was useful, and I hope you're going to take advantage of these ways of getting a certificate that will help you to get a high paid remote job. If it was useful, please give me some thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it's going to help me to grow. And I'll see you on the next video for a new way of making money online or a new tip that's going to help you make money online. See you guys.